This 2007 Monaco RV Dynasty Queen IV is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Monaco RV is 43 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Banyan Decor, stained oak hardwood cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, awning, TV, air conditioning, TV antenna, slideout, skylight, leveling jacks, stove top burner, self-contained, and 101 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front living area, mid-kitchen. This 2007 Monaco RV Dynasty Queen IV is built on a Roadmaster S-Series Tag Axle chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISL 400 HP diesel engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.